Kisan Rail. Will it be a game changer? Annually, India loses 40% of its food, a staggering 92,000 crore. A suicide rate of 12.6 for every 1 lakh is not something one should be proud of. Don't you agree? Do you know that storage is one of the biggest challenges India faces today? Well, storage has been one of the highlights of the COVID measures, and today marks the commencing of the Kisan Rail. The next 3 minutes of the video will provide the what, why, and how. So, what is Kisan Rail? Kisan Rail is a dedicated rail service for transport and storage of perishable farm produce. Built in PPP, Public-Private Partnership model, it is aimed at building seamless national coal supply chain for perishables that includes milk, meat and fish. In collaboration with Concor, Indian Railway is building its infrastructure for taking the farm produces directly to market. A significant highlight of the 2020 and 21 budget, the Kisan Rail is a successor to a railway budget proposal of 2009 by then Railway Minister Mamata Banerjee. Sadly enough, the then proposal never took off. Suffice it to say, West Bengal, which is considered country's vegetable producing hub, as much as 18 to 25% of exported vegetables and fruits are wasted on their way. This is because, till now, many such perishable produces were sent via trucks, which lacks proper temperature control transportation. Now, why was it needed? In India, a lot of farm produce are wasted because it doesn't reach the end consumer in the right condition. And what does that mean? Farmers lose their desired share of hard-earned money, and thus is one of the many reasons behind farmer suicide. Cold storage is nothing new, but it was mainly confined to bulky products like onions and potatoes, with major facilities concentrated in Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Punjab and Gujarat. Tamil Nadu gets only 0.23% of the total national capacity of the cold storage, despite having a hot and humid weather. Developed countries have stringent guidelines for food quality, and India fails to meet these guidelines in many circumstances due to inadequate cold chain infrastructure. All of these have led to huge losses to India in food and revenue. Kisan Rail, the mobile cold storage carrier, will help in reducing these challenges by transporting perishable farm produces directly to markets. Besides that, horticulture sector is believed to be one of the major beneficiaries of the scheme. So, if properly implemented, it is expected to bring a big relief to farmers. Now, what has been done? Indian Railways have indicated on using 9 such refrigerated vans. So, farmers will be able to avail the service very soon. Instead, the first Kisan Rail has started its first ever journey today from Devlali in the state of Maharashtra to Danapur in the state of Bihar. Therefore, it is supposed to be a wingman to PM's vision of doubling farmers' income by 2022. With 10 parcel vans and 1 luggage van, this special train is supposed to run weekly. According to Indian Railway, local farmers, loaders, APMC have been aggressively sensitized to make them explore the new service. Besides that, wide publicity is being conducted in all forms of media to reach out to as many stakeholders as possible. So, now the last and the most important question. How is it going to help the country? Kisan Rail is a step towards smart and sustainable future. Faster air-conditioned railway coaches accelerate the logistic process while minimizing losses and thereby helping both farmers and consumers. Kisan Rail is an excellent initiative towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. क्योंकि किसानों का विकास ही है देश का विकास।